What's up, everybody? This is Cam Hilliard from Miller's RV, and today I want to talk to you about a fantastic deal that we're offering. We have some manufacturer incentives on our Winnebago products. So you can see, you can get this Winnebago Solis Pocket 2023 36A floor plan, $852 a month with 10% down with approved credit, tier 1, plus tax on license. Guys, this is an unbelievable deal. The reason we can do this is because we've got some manufacturer incentives from Winnebago that allow us to sell us at a much more affordable price than what we normally can. So I'm going to tell you my top 3 favorite things about this van. First off is easy for me. I'm going to start with the overall size. This thing is less than 18 feet long. You know what that means? You can park in whatever parking space you want. Still no drive-throughs, no parking garages. But size-wise, you can put it wherever you want. You can even sleep the amount of people that you wouldn't expect on something this size. We'll get to that, kind of jump the gun on my 3rd favorite. But I want to show you my 2nd favorite item in the inside. Alright, so my number 2 favorite thing is going to be this gear garage area back here. So this is the bed to the left, the main bed, but this gear garage is awesome. So you can close it off from everything else, so it can actually be great for kids or for dogs. But the way I'd use it, I'd put bikes back here, ice chest maybe. You probably, if you actually move that gate, you could put a kayak through this. But I like the bikes and the ice chest back here. So I love this gear garage. I think it makes this really usable, and it's just very versatile as well. So my 3rd favorite feature on this, guys, this is awesome. So again, 18-foot van, but you can actually sleep 4 people on this. So when this bed folds down, you can sleep 2 people here. This dinette will make down to a bed. You can sleep a smaller person there, and actually for your 4th, you can use the Luna bed and sleep one across the 2 driver's seats. So that one, it's basically an air mattress that goes in between, then over the top. We do a little bit more in-depth explanation on our full walkthrough of this, which we'll link below. But this is the Winnebago 36A Solis Pocket. This is a fantastic van, guys. Again, we've got a great deal on it. It can be yours for only $852 a month with tier 1 approved credit, 10% down plus tax on license. If you want some more info, give us a call. Check out the website below. We'd be happy to show this thing to you or set up a time for you to even come drive it. So, guys, give us a call, and we appreciate you stopping by. And as always, enjoy the journey. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the journey.